What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to show you guys the Kirito's Longsword I got from TrueSwords.com. I'll put the link in the description, and try not to waste too much time and start hacking at it. Alright, so this came a little bit differently than the other ones. It seems a little more detailed, a little shorter than the other swords I got from True Swords, but it looks pretty darn good. Alright, so there it is. I'm trying to get this stuff off here. Now I did put a, what do you call it? Engraving. That's what it is. I put an engraving on this one. I don't know where it's gonna be, but we're gonna find out here in a second. Alright, so here's the sword unsheathed. And as you can see here, I got a little extra detail. Yep, that's my name. Got that etched in there, and it looks gorgeous to me. But you guys can have your own opinions of what you would put on a sword, like a little slogan. Well, I guess you only put like 5 letters or something. So I guess it would have to be like your initials or alias, like I did, or whatever. But yeah, I'll give this one another 10 out of 10 because with that personal touch, I think this is my favorite piece, and definitely not getting rid of this one anytime soon. Leave a like on the video if you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Okay, one thing I did forget to mention about this sword is the handle. One problem I did have with some of the other swords I ordered from True Swords, well, not a problem, just one thing I think they could have improved on, and they seem like they have with this one, is the handle, like the grip part of it. The whole thing is made, they've all been made of metal, but this is probably the best grip that I've ever bought on one. It has a lot of rubber. It's leather, fake leather, I'm assuming, but it feels rubbery and it feels tight. Not that you're supposed to be able to, you know, chop freaking trees with this, but it's a nice touch. And I just thought I'd throw that in there before I let you guys in on your own purchases. But yeah, keep that in mind and enjoy.